Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the 10 best African countries to invest in 2023. So, Africa is a continent with a rapidly growing economy and a diverse range of investment opportunities. So, let's get started. So our first pick is Nigeria, the largest economy in Africa with a population of over 200 million people. Nigeria offers great opportunities for investors in various sectors such as agriculture, technology, and infrastructure. The second country on our list is Kenya. So Kenya is another great African country to invest in. With a growing middle class and a strategic location in East Africa, Kenya offers investors a range of opportunities in sectors such as manufacturing, tourism, and real estate. So the third country on our list is South Africa. So South Africa is one of the most developed economies in Africa, offering investors opportunities in sectors such as mining, finance, and tourism. With a well-developed infrastructure and a diverse economy, South Africa is a great country to invest in. So the fourth country on our list is Ghana. So Ghana is a stable and peaceful country with a growing economy. The country's strategic location and abundant resources make it an attractive destination for investors in sectors such as agriculture, mining, and oil and gas. The fifth country on our list is Egypt. So Egypt is the largest economy in North Africa and has a population of over 100 million people. The country offers investors opportunities in sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism with a well-developed infrastructure and a strategic location. So the sixth country on our list is Rwanda. So Rwanda is one of the fastest growing economies in Africa with a focus on technology and innovation. The country has a favorable business environment and offers investors opportunities in sectors such as ICT, renewable energy, and tourism. The seventh country on our list is Ivory Coast. So Ivory Coast is one of the largest economies in West Africa with a focus on agriculture and mining. The country has a stable political environment and a growing middle class, making it an attractive destination for investors. The eighth country on our list is Tanzania. So Tanzania is a large country in East Africa with a population of over 60 million people. The country offers investors opportunities in sectors such as agriculture, mining, and tourism with a growing economy and a favorable business environment. The ninth country on our list is Morocco. So Morocco is a stable country in North Africa with a well-developed infrastructure and a diverse economy. The country offers investors opportunities in sectors such as manufacturing, tourism, and renewable energy. The last country, which is the 10th country on our list, is Ethiopia. So Ethiopia is one of the fastest growing economies in Africa with a focus on infrastructure development and industrialization. The country offers investors opportunities in sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and energy. So these are the 10 best African countries to invest in 2023. With their growing economies, strategic locations, and favorable business environments, these countries offers investors a range of opportunities in various sectors. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos.